Do you really need a website for your business? The simple answer is yes. So in this video, I will share why you need a website for your business. So let's jump into the video. Currently, you may have social media accounts for your business. Even though you have all of those accounts, it's not your own platform, which means you depend on a third party platform. So they can remove your business from internet. So those social media platforms can ban or flag your accounts. But if you have your own website, you are the owner of your website. So no one can delete or deactivate your website because it's your own website and a right received to you. So this is the most important and first benefit of having your own website for your business. Then if you have a website for your business, you can build trust for your customers, which means you can include testimonials, case studies, portfolios and other informations to gain trust from your clients. So this is a huge advantage and this will directly affect the buying potential of your customers. If you have a website, they will able to get more information and they will think you are a professional and they will trust on your business. Next point is think about your competitors. Maybe they have or they don't have a website, but if you have a website, you can get one step ahead from your competitors. Even they have a website, you can create a different website and professional one, which means when visitor or when customer try to find product or service, they will search about the service or that product. So when they search on it, you and your competitors will appear on the result. So they will go to those websites, and if your website is a professional and give value, so if it helps to build trust of your customers, you will definitely get the sale. The next point is if you have a website, you have 100% of control and you can customize it according to your requirement. If you think a Facebook page or Instagram page, you can't customize it. You have to use the platform as it is. But if you have a website, you can add different sections, different components and customize it according to your business. Also, you can control it as you want because it's your website. So you are not limited with your website. You can do anything with your website. And the next point is we can add our website to Google My Business and other platforms. So if you think about Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business or any third party platforms, all of those platforms has a place to add URL of your website. So think your potential customer search service, product or company related to your niche or related to your company. So if you add your company details to Google My Business, Google will show the location of your store and show other details. So when they search it, they will get lot of companies same as your company. So but if you fill all details and add your website URL, the potential customer have a way to get more details about your business by checking your website. And the next benefit is you can do search engine optimization to your website and make your website appear on the search engines. So if your potential customer search product or service on Google or other search engines, your website will appear. So as a conclusion, this is why you need a website for your business, and having a website will help you to grow your business and generate more leads and eventually get more sales. And if you plan to grow your business online, you should consider to have a business website for your business. So I share this type of content, and if you interested in this type of content, you can buy me a coffee, the link on the description. And if you have inquiries about creating website, just check my website and get more information, the link on description. I will see you in the next video.